Hi you guys, I'm here to show you all how to make the infamous rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is so great because it encourages hair growth and it helps with hair loss. It's super easy to make, so let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to start off by needing some rosemary. I got these from Trader Joe's, but you can get them from pretty much anywhere. I got this glass bottle. I'm reusing mine, but you can also get them from Amazon. Next, I went ahead and just got a regular cup or glass. You can use whatever you have in the house. I also got a measuring cup for me to be able to pour it more accurately. I then have a strainer, and if you need, you can use a funnel, but my measuring cup had a spout, so I didn't need it. I next had a regular pot, and we are going to do the double boiler method. So you're going to need a type of mixing bowl that's either glass or stainless steel, something that's heat resistant because it works best. Next, I end up getting this 3-in-1 avocado, coconut, and safflower oil. This trio is such a great one to have because they all really help promote hair growth, and that's why I'm using it in this rosemary oil. Next, what I'm going to begin to do is separate the leaves from the stem of this rosemary plant, and this is going to help me when it comes to making sure that I'm getting all the nutrients possible. After I'm done separating all the leaves, I'm going to begin to start my fire. So I need my water to be boiling. So I go ahead and fill it in the pot. It's going to be about 3 to 4 cups of water that I'm going to bring to a boil. Next, I'm going to begin to add the oil to the leaves. I use a 1-to-1 ratio, so for every 1 cup of leaves, I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of that oil. After I add everything in, I'm going to begin to press it down and mix it with a spoon so that I can make sure that all of the leaves are getting fully saturated. The water has been brought to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and take the top of the bowl and place it on top of the pot, and this is the double boiler method. So after I do that, I'm then going to take a spoon and I'm going to continue to press down to make sure all those leaves are saturated so that we can go ahead and ensure that they're all getting cooked properly. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to a low heat and let it cook or simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I am now about to strain this mixture, and I strain it over my measuring cup because the measuring cup has a little groove because I don't have a funnel currently. I then also begin to press down on the leaves because I want to make sure that I get all of that remaining oil, and it's a lot left over. It may not seem like it, but it is when you start to pour it into the actual container. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the container, and it is very important that you place it inside of a dark glass bottle. And the reason that you're going to do that is because you need the dark glass because it protects the oil from deteriorating and the effects of light. Same thing with your perfume bottles. You can see here that it is a nice light oil, and like I said, this is super easy to make and it lasts for about 2 months. Let me know if you have any questions below, and once again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.